So this is my end of this day, end of this last video, and I will posted this from the first one because I have already done something interesting part of this day. Today I will mention that I have gone to the ISKCON temple by some of my work because I just want to by combiningly we just planning to start a podcast. That's why we go for the ISKCON temple to have a podcast with them. That's why that clip also present, not the conversation, just clip was present at the end. So this is my first clip. I will add this from the starting of this video. So this is the day 23rd of my 365 day challenge. And if you like this, then like, share, comment, subscribe this channel. Hi everyone. Today is day 23rd. Our day starts from now. It is now morning 9 a.m. and my brother has already gone for their work, so I have to clean all these things and then I will read something. After taking my shower, I will do the puja because it is Navratri is going on. So stay connected and see you today. Yesterday I was a little bit tired, that's why yesterday I did not make the day full effective. I will try to make this day much more effective. Along with I am going to share one thing that right now I am studying about how to speak effectively, or how I will speak so that the viewers can listen with full attentively. So I have to learn that skill, and I am also learning that skill how to improve myself. As because this channel is journey 1 to billion, so we have to change our mindset. How the mindset will change so that the whole scenario, everything can be changed or achieve in your life. So let's go and start our work today. Hopefully while the day will end, so we did some kind of effective work today. So see you in the next clip. Hi everyone. Right now I am going to my playground where I run every day. I will show you the playground today. Along with I am showing how the children are playing there and what kind of places or what kind of situation is there. I will show you in this blog. I am not going today for running because since 2 to 3 days it was raining, and there is another chances that from tomorrow the cyclone will start and further the rain will start. That's why I am not going for running today, just going there and enjoying all this thing. Hopefully you will enjoy this blog. I am showing you the front side view, and while reaching there I will show you the playground, and stay connected. This is the road, and the playground is nearly about 500 meters from my location. By walking I go there every day. As you can see that the game is going on. Boys are playing the game, along with the cattle are grazing the field, and here I am enjoying all these things by sitting this place. So I am just enjoying this all these views, and I am also doing my other work also there. Along with another thought was coming in my mind that while I was in my room, so one thought was that we are spending a lot of time in different tasks, such as by watching the movies, also by playing games, by spending some time in the reels and talking, gossiping with our friends. But how much time we give ourselves? Not single minute also, because We never just sit down like this and never thinking about ourselves, what kind of thing or what we like the most, how we can develop ourselves, such like a thing. We never sit like this. We never think about ourselves. We are just thinking about the whole world. The whole world is what they are doing, how the world see us, what they will think about us, and by thinking such kind of thing we are wasting our time. But never we think just about ourselves, because such a beautiful personality nature, because everyone has some kind of talent, some kind of speciality the God has given, but we never know perfectly ourselves. Never. We are never trying to know ourselves perfectly, efficiently. Never. We never tried for this. I'm also asking the same question to you. Have you ever tried to sit down, just calm, and thinking about yourself, that what you are doing every day, what is good for you, what do you want, what you like, what is your specialty, what is the state of your mind? Have you ever sit like this and thinking about yourself? We are just spending time just thinking about what my girlfriend is doing, that what my boyfriend is doing, that what the society will think about me, what kind of career is best for me, such kind. But have you ever thinking about yourself, just sitting like this calm and composed and thinking about yourself like that, how I am sitting here like this, just watching the all this view and enjoying and sitting calmly and just thinking about myself? Have you ever tried this? Whenever you sit, because most of the right now most of the people are going through depression, that's why everyone recommending that you just do for the meditation. But no one doing like this. What is the meditation? Meditation is spending some time with yourself. Give some time to yourself, but not doing the meditation. Just sit calm and composed, just sit like this, like me, how I am sitting right now, and just thinking about yourself. What kind of thoughts are going on your mind, what you think, what you like. You never think about this. We are just governing by the how the momentum, how the trend is going on, but never trying to analyze ourselves. What is the inner strength, what is the inner quality of ourselves? We never try to analyze this thing. You should try this, because if you will go the trend of the world, then you will achieve nothing. You are just go flow with it. But what is the ultimate truth which you should know about it? You will never aware about this thing. You are just go far from this, never achieve anything by in this way, in this mentality. You will never achieve anything. So try to rectify yourself, because we are the person, because the higher consciousness we have, the more we will know about ourselves, because we are different from the animals, as because we have the consciousness, we have the thinking ability. Then when you are getting such a life and you are not utilizing it properly, then that is the worst part of our life. So try to think about yourself, try to know what is your nature, what is your character, what is your personality, how to develop itself. Then you will think that the life will become much more happier than ever. So try this, and definitely you will appreciate it, and definitely it will be helpful for you. Okay, bye bye. कौन कहलु तोर जाऊन माड़ी चल So finally I reached to my place by the boss. So this day was literally amazing, and much more effective work I have done today. So this is all about this video. So if you like this, then like, share, comment, subscribe this channel, and we do a lot of things.